Hey yo guys, this is Kimi Sadi here. Yeah boy. And today I'm gonna show you all how did I execute the project proposal, which is cleaning up within the household to observe measures that will prevent COVID. This is how I volunteered to help the community reduce the number of cases, also for me and my family. In week 1, my regular chores include cleaning and sanitizing, so I'm essentially assisting the community every day. Let us begin with cleaning the floor. In week 2, cleaning surfaces with the soap or detergent-based household cleaner reduces the quantity of germs on them and reduces the risk of infection. Then, I cleanse my family and myself with alcohol. Because 70 to 90% alcohol can also be used to sterilize surfaces. Cleaning surfaces is impossible if the cleaner is filthy. Then I also clean the utensils. And in week 3, sanitizing utensils with hot water is a very efficient and effective sanitizer because my family and visitors use the utensils in our home on occasion. Cleaning them may help destroy the germs that can spread COVID. Then I cleaned the entire house. To keep the germs at bay, I sprayed the entire house. I also use it to disinfect any surfaces I want to clean. This vlog was made for the implementation of the project and to show how I want to help the community, my family, and myself stay safe from COVID. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoy it and take something from it. I hope you will do the same for your family and community to assist the country become self-sufficient. It's the little things that count. Assist others and always remember to look after your mental health. Thank you for watching.